It's train back or train set time. Well, this time I am re-reviewing one of my old reviews based on the Hornby Thomas and Friends passengers and goods train set. Now this was actually my second train set that I got, the first one being the Bachmann Thomas and Friends Deluxe set with the Bachmann, Thomas, Annie and Clarabelle. But this set is British, and so it features the Hornby Thomas, which is basically a different model because he's based off his real engines. The E2 class 060 tank engines. Now in this set, which holds 25 pieces, you get Thomas, Annie and Clarabelle, and you also get a season 1 truck. Basically what I mean with season 1 is they just painted the face on the truck. They didn't model it like the faces on the engines. And you also get a milk tanker and a cattle wagon. You also get a fair bit of track, points, and a buffer and such. But let's get this one open and see. And you'll have to excuse the very bright light that I'm using, so it will create a lot of shadows and all that, so you just have to bear with me. And here we have it. I hope you can see that, because I haven't zoomed in. Well, just get rid of that so you can see the tanker. Well, also you get a power source or a transformer. Not that kind of that turns into a car and such. But as you can see, I have opened the set before. I just put it back in the box just to review it. And basically what more you get with this is that you get all the instructions, a track map, and an invitation to the Hornby Club, which I actually am a member of. I got the 2012 locomotive, which I did do a review on, but I haven't uploaded it to YouTube yet. Well, I don't think I will, since I think I did very poorly on that. But let's get started. This is basically what you get. You get Thomas, you get no way. Annie. Sorry for that. It's difficult to read the text upside down. You get Clarabelle, you get the season 1 truck, the cattle truck, and the milk tanker. Also a fair bit of track, and what I think is 3rd degrees. No, it's 3rd radius curves. Correct me if I'm wrong. And you also get the Hornby DC controller, the new style, not the old one. So yeah, what should we look at first? Well, isn't it obvious? Well, I think I'm gonna save Thomas for last, then just take a look at the rolling stock. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but this is the milk tanker. Hang on, I'll do it properly. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch off the camera and rearrange it so that I will be behind it, and so I can do it